Hi everyone. In this lecture, we'll discuss the solution to the diamond problem, right? So let's say we have a class, right? Let's say we have a class A. So first, I'm explaining what is diamond problem, right? So this is class, right? So right. So basically, what is the diamond problem? The diamond problem is, for example, we have a function like we have a function ABC, right? So since ABC is the function of this class, then automatically, since B class and C class are the child class of class A, automatically B and C will have their own copies of the function ABC, or may not even the function, maybe a data member, right? And they can even modify it in case if it's a data member, right? Let's concentrate only upon this function ABC. B and C both have their own copies of this ABC function, and since class D is the child class of both class B and class C, class D will have the two copies of function ABC, right? And for example, the object of this class D will call the function ABC. Which function ABC will it refer to? The one with class B or the one of class C? Which one, right? And that creates an ambiguity. And already we saw when we discussed the inheritance topic, right? So how to solve this problem? To solve this problem, there is a really simple solution. The solution is virtual functions, right? So basically what happens is, when two classes are inherited, we inherit them virtually, right? We inherit those classes virtually, so that basically overall, you know, there is only one single copy should be received to class D, regardless of whether it is of class B or class C, right? So that's the thing. Let's do it practically and let's see what I'm saying about. So we have declared our namespace, and so for example, there is a class A, right? And there is a function ABC, right? And with the function ABC, for example, it's a void function, class A ABC function, right? And let's copy it on the similar notes, right? So now we created class B, class C, and it is here is class D, right? So first I'm trying to reproduce the diamond problem, right? We have made the object of class D, right? And okay, just a minute, right? And let's see now. Class B is the object of class B is the child class of A. Class C is also the child class of A, and class D is the child class of both A and B, both B and C. And let's say C, the member is ambiguous because class D already has two copies and D is confused which copy to refer, right? And this is the whole diamond problem. And to solve it, what we can do, we can make it virtual, right? Basically, we are inheriting in a virtual manner. See, class ABC function, yeah. So let's run it again. See, class ABC function, just like I show you this, it's basically picking from the class A only and not from class C or B, right? So this is the whole solution of virtual functions, right? So I hope you understood it. The solution was pretty much simple. Just inherit the class virtually. Let's try the more things. We can also inherit the class D virtually, right? Yeah, but it doesn't make any difference because no, it can be hell lot of complex scenario. For example, like if I want to make more and more complexity, this is a class. There are two child classes of this class, right? And there are further child classes. And now there is a class which is the child class of all these four classes, right? So in that case, all the inheritance of this class will be in the virtual mode. So this is the challenge. In even in one step, if we miss the inheritance in the virtual mode, then it will create a huge problem, right? So to keep these kind of problems which actually don't let the programmer to concentrate on the task itself, Java has completely removed multiple inheritance. This thing is not allowed in Java. This whole thing is not allowed. Multiple inheritance is not allowed, right? Because you don't know what these four classes are carrying with themselves. Because for example, I manually created four functions with the same name and with same data type, but with different context, right? With different content in them. That is the whole reason why Java has avoided multiple inheritance, and that's one of the reasons that explains the popularity of Java, right? So this is the whole thing. I hope you understood it. So if you have any doubts, then please ask us. Keep practicing, and that's it for today. So till then, keep learning, keep growing. Thank you.